morning, the workshop, where we split the young people into two different groups. The groups were then the workshops on working around the perception of young people. Firstly, how they felt about each other, and then secondly, how young people were perceived in their communities. They then set the task: how could they change the negative perceptions and stereotypes that were given from other people, and they then presented that back to the rest of the group.
While the young people are doing their workshops, the Filter provide training for staff as well, so they can take back and do it with the young people in the centre who haven't had the opportunity to come here. So they do different workshops on e-cigarette, shisha, different things like that, way to refer young people about smoking, the triggers and different things. So it's just helping staff learn about the issues that the young people are facing.
So we've just split into three groups. So one group is going to stay up and do t-shirts at the hub. Another one are going to go down and do music and spoken word in the conference centre. And we've got a third group who are doing breakdancing in the sports centre. And then they'll all rotate smoothly, and hopefully everyone will just get a really good idea of different ways that you can express yourself and have fun.
We've come down, we've used our music, a bit of magic, helped out with written, spoken poetry.
Helps them to release their frustration, anxiety, the way they feel about the world.
So now they're making t-shirts. So first they're branding them with our logo just so we can get some advertising out, and then they can put whatever else they want on there just to make it personal to themselves.
We've been doing t-shirts, we've been doing table tennis, we've done a lot of activities like painting and everything like that.
Well, they started off doing those different workshops about smoking, and just to get young children to understand what the effects can do if you do end up smoking.
A lot of young people throughout Wales at the age of 11 who are smokers, and to tackle it at that age is brilliant.